Matt Farkas here with United Country Great Lakes Realty and Auction and UC Hunting Properties. Beautiful day in Northeast Michigan here. Proud to present Beaver Lake Lodge and Hunt Club. 3,000 acres, Lachine, Michigan. Beautiful 1920s hunting lodge. Sleeps, 20, 25, 30 people. Right on the shores of Beaver Lake. Got over a mile of lake frontage on Beaver Lake itself on the south end. Whitetail deer hunting is the primary focus of this property, as well as bear hunting. Grouse, woodcock, waterfowl, bobcat, I mean, you name it. The entire property, being 3,000 acres, is incredibly diverse. There's open areas, multiple food plots. It's got swamp down there. Beaver Creek runs through the entire southern part of the property all the way to the border. With all that diversity, the wildlife is truly something. Along with this diverse habitat of this property, there's an extensive road system throughout the entire 3,000 acres, and the majority of it is maintained by the gas and oil companies. So you've got good quality roads, year-round access. A standard pickup truck can get on nearly the entire property. Lots of secondary roads that you can easily get on with a side-by-side or four-wheeler. Big garage, two-story garage for the tractor and all that equipment. Certainly makes it easy getting blinds in and out, accessing it, dragging out the big bucks. Beaver Lake Lodge and Hunt Club is in Alpena County, about 30 minutes or so from Alpena itself, probably about 20 minutes from Alpena Regional Airport. They have a Delta hub there, so if you want to fly in from anywhere in the country, there's a 9,000-foot runway, so there's plenty of space there. If you prefer to come in a little bit more style, you can bring your float plane and pull right up to the lodge. So as far as location goes, Northeast Michigan's what I always call Michigan's best kept secret. You're far enough away from the hustle and bustle. It's quiet. This area has lots of large parcels in the area surrounding. The western border of this property is Turtle Lake Club, 26,000 acres, specifically managed for whitetail deer. These are some of the biggest properties in all of Michigan. We're about 4 hours from Metro Detroit probably. So there's just an awful lot up this way in the region in general. The Beaver Lake Lodge and Hunt Club has been around literally 100 years, established 1923. The historic lodge there is just incredible to see. It's been very, very well maintained. You could do wedding venues, you could do Airbnb, you could do riding stables, you could do pretty much whatever you want. This property is so big, you can have an area where the family could come and horseback riding and four-wheelers. You go out in a pontoon boat, just as a pure investment opportunity. Not only money-wise, but just in your family and your friends. It's just an opportunity of a lifetime. What an incredible opportunity. Beaver Lake Lodge and Hunt Club, what more could you ask for? I'm very proud to bring to the market this property. If you'd like more information about this property, you can contact me, Matt Farkas, at United Country Great Lakes Realty and Auction, and my cell number is 248-884-8616, and I look forward to hearing from you.